you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on snow making machine for the Christmas of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1: a 1500W Snow Machine. A 1500W snow machine, as described in the provided text, is a powerful device designed to create a snow-like effect for various events and occasions. With a power rating of 1500 watts, this machine is likely to produce a substantial amount of snow-like foam, making it suitable for larger spaces such as weddings, Christmas parties, or other festive gatherings. The mention of wireless suggests that the machine operates without the need for direct physical connections, providing flexibility in its placement and reducing the hassle of managing wires. This feature enhances the convenience of setting up the snow machine in different event venues. The reference to snow soap foam effect indicates that the machine doesn't produce real snow, but rather a foamy substance that mimics the appearance of snow. This type of effect is commonly used in entertainment settings to create a winter ambience, especially in regions where natural snowfall is limited. Additionally, the term generator machine implies that the device has the capability to generate various snowflake patterns, adding a decorative element to the simulated snowfall. This feature can contribute to a more visually appealing and realistic snow experience. In conclusion, the 1500W snow machine seems to be a versatile and powerful tool for generating artificial snow-like effects wirelessly, making it suitable for a range of celebratory events, such as weddings and Christmas parties. Its ability to produce a foam-based snow effect and generate snowflake patterns enhances its appeal for creating a festive and visually captivating Product 2: Product name 2000 Snowflake Snow Machine. The 2000 Snowflake Snow Machine appears to be a snow-making device designed for use in various settings, such as parties, events, and stages. This particular snow machine is equipped with a remote control feature, allowing users to manage and control the snow-making process from a distance. With a power rating of 2000 W, it likely possesses a sufficient capacity to produce a significant amount of artificial snow, creating a winter-like atmosphere for entertainment purposes. The remote control functionality adds convenience and flexibility to the user experience, enabling easy operation and adjustments to the snow machine's output. This feature can be particularly useful in event settings, where precise control over the snow effects is essential for achieving the desired ambience. It is important to note that the information provided is based on the product name and the limited details given. To get a more comprehensive understanding of the 2000 Snowflake Snow Machines, user manual, or customer reviews for detailed information on its features, capabilities, and performance. Product 3: Product name the Mocha SXF 900W Snow Machine. The Mocha SXF 900W Snow Machine is a specialized device designed to produce artificial snowflakes, making it an ideal choice for creating winter-themed atmospheres, especially during Christmas stage performances and other events. This snow machine is equipped with a powerful 900-watt motor, ensuring a robust and efficient production of snowflakes to enhance the visual appeal of various entertainment settings. Any notable feature of the Mocha SXF 900W snow machine is the inclusion of LED lights, which add an extra layer of visual excitement to the snowfall effect. These lights can enhance the overall ambience of the stage or event venue, creating a magical and festive atmosphere that aligns perfectly with the holiday season. Whether used in theatrical productions, Christmas events, or other stage performances, the Mocha SXF 900W snow machine aims to bring the enchanting beauty of snowfall to any. The machine provides a practical solution for those seeking to create memorable and immersive winter-themed environments for their Product 4: Product name a Snow Machine. A snow machine, also known as a snow-making machine or snowflake maker, is a device designed to produce artificial snow for various purposes, including decorative and recreational uses. These machines are commonly used in settings such as Christmas events, weddings, kids' parties, and stage productions to create a winter wonderland atmosphere. The snow machine typically operates by using a combination of water and special snow fluid, which is propelled through a nozzle or a fan system. Some advanced models may also incorporate the use of compressed air or other techniques to create a more realistic snowfall effect. The process involves the conversion of the liquid mixture into tiny water droplets or foam that mimics the appearance of natural snowflakes. Of the notable features of snow machines is their versatility, allowing users to control the density and coverage of the artificial snowfall. This adaptability makes them suitable for a range of applications, from small gatherings to large-scale events. Addition: remote control functionality, enabling users to adjust settings such as snowflake size, output volume, and timing without direct physical interaction. In the context of the paragraph you provided, it seems that the snow machine described is not only designed for creating a festive atmosphere with its snowflake effects, but also includes features such as remote control and compatibility with fog machines. This combination of features can enhance the overall visual and sensory experience, making it an appealing choice for events, parties, or performances where a winter or magical ambience is.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.